Now we're going to write a function as an equation. So normally when you guys see equations, you're probably used to seeing x's and y's. So an equation, something like y equals 2x plus 5, right? And you've got your x value, you've got your y value. X is your domain, y is your range, okay? That works up to a certain point, but at a certain point we need more sophisticated notation for functions, and that's why we go to function notation, which is where we change the y to this little statement, f of x. And that's the way we say that, f of x, meaning what you're about to see is a function of x, a function with the variable x in it. And then you look and you go, oh yeah, there's a function with x in it. So we're just writing it as an equation. It's like if your name was Benjamin and as a kid you went by Ben, but as an adult you decided to go by Benjamin. They mean the same thing. One is just more sophisticated language. So f of x is like the fancier way to say a function. And I like to think of it when it's written like this on paper, I even still think of that as a function machine. So like you have f of something, this is going to be your input. And whatever you drop in as your input is going to get doubled, and then it's going to get 5 added to it. So I like to set this up as like the skeleton of the function. And I think of whatever I drop into parentheses on the left is going to also get dropped in on the right. So that's like my function machine. I'm dropping in a value. So we're going to drop in these values and see what we get. So the first one says f of 2. So that means our input is going to be 2. So it's going to be 2 that we double, and then we add 5. And that's going to be 9. So when you put in 2, you get out 9. So f of 2 is 9, meaning the x2 pairs with y equals 9. Now we'll plug in 0. So we double it, and then we add 5. So that's just going to be 5. And then if we want to put in 5, if I input 5, I got to put a 5 in all my little parentheses. We double it and add 5, we're going to get 15. And then for the last one, we're going to put in a -1, so our input is -1. 2 times -1 plus 5, that would be -2 plus 5 would be 3. So don't be scared of this notation. Just remember that whatever is dropped into the parentheses is always the input. And that's the thing that's being dropped into the function machine. And then what we're answering with a box around it, that's the output. So that's writing a function as an equation.